Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Samsung account lock feature on a Samsung Android device. It's also sometimes commonly called the Samsung Reactivation lock. And here with us today, we happen to have a Galaxy S6 Active, originally from AT&T, that does have that exact same problem. So we can see the S6 Active insignia here on the phone, as well as the AT&T logo. And if we flip it around, we'll see that as we're going through the setup process here, we get to a screen that says that there was an abnormal factory reset performed, and to continue using the phone, we have to sign in to the previous Samsung account that was on the device. It's something that Samsung initiated several years back as a security measure to kind of combat some of the theft and fraud that happens in the buying and selling of mobile devices these days. So basically it means that when a Samsung device is factory reset and you don't first take off the Samsung account that's on it, it's then going to ask you for that same account again as a security feature after the device is powered back on, after the reset. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this type of lock from this device. And that's actually something that we're going to do right here, right now in the video as proof that we actually can do it. We just need to run a couple steps here using our computer programs and tools. And then after that, we should be able to see that we can indeed get all the way through the setup process without seeing that lock there. We've been contacted by tons of people over the years looking for this exact same procedure on this device or many others, so we figured that we would make a video letting everyone know that it is indeed something that can actually be done. And it's also something that can be done anywhere for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection. We can just go in to your computer through the internet and remove it that way while the phone is plugged in via the cable, so you don't necessarily need to be here in our local area in order to get this done. We just have one step left here to get the lock fully removed. So let me disconnect that and then switch over to my other program here. We're just doing all of the steps here in the video to actually prove that it is something that can be done without us logging in on the phone itself. Otherwise, it would be too easy for us to claim that we could actually remove it while we were actually using our own login information. So we're running the last step here right now. We are done. We can go ahead and disconnect it. The phone's going to reboot here. And then we should be able to see that we can get all the way through those setup steps without seeing that lock. So we'll just give it 1 second here to finish doing that. Okay, so there's our welcome screen. We're going to go ahead and start and go through the steps here. We can just skip Wi-Fi. We can agree to the terms and conditions. We can skip Google services, the date and time. And again, as you can see here, we're not signed in with our own Samsung account, so there's no trickery involved here. It really is just something that's done with the computer as we've shown. We're skipping the AT&T setup, and we don't need a Samsung account, so we can skip that. And one more step, and we should, yep, there we go. So we're now at the home screen. We have full access to all the apps and settings and features, just like if it was a brand new device and the Samsung account lock has been completely removed. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we're working with here. So under the About device, we can indeed see that we have a G890A here, and that's the AT&T version of the S6 Active. So that is the device we're working with here. So if you need this specific service performed on this specific device, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.